Okay, final game po today po. Playing blue po. Yan po ang The Sky Team. And of course, playing white and sky blue naman po. Yan po ang Team Traders. Okay, sino yan? 25 versus 17. And nandun kagad, 20. Si Bryle, Royol, Mike, Abregana, wala. Ayan na, nakatira kagad, 20 naman. Si Flores, binabambola. Tabile, si Tabs. Uy, lipit. Royol. Jawadi, uy. What a move by Jawadi, ha? Jawadi, 2 points. Pop sa Flores, wala. Rebound by number 25. 25, driving strong. Wala pa rin. Abregana rebound. Abregana, driving strong. Abregana to Mike Palpal. Jawadi, kick pass kay Bryle. Mr. Abregana, scaling the defense. Jawadi for 3. No good. Rebound by number 17. Now to Flores again. Flores binabambola. Flores. Mike against Flores. Nice pass. Number 17. Wala. In and out. Now 25 na rebound. Now kick pass. Wala pa rin. Royol. Driving. Bryle for 3. Bangs it in. Bryle 3 points. Bryle 3 points at 8 of 5 remaining. I think by 10:30 we're winning. Patatapos at 10:30. Tabile, nandyan si Mr. Flores. Tabile. Intercepted by Bryle. Flores again. Tabile. Kick pass. Nandyan si Abregana. Abregana now to Mr. Bryle again. For 3. Bryle for 3. In and out. Flores, floater shot, 2 points. 2-5. Laman pa rin po ang Sky Team. 2-5, Sky Team leading. Foul. Down. Wala. Rebound na number 17. Tabile, pinapapush sa mga tao. Push. Tabile, ayun, 25, pasok. 25, pasok. Oh no. No good. Rebound number 25. 25 naka-rebound. Now to Mr. 25 din. Pops up. Wala. Rebound. Cloyd Abregana. Cloyd. Bring down the ball. Cloyd. Wala. Take 2 for sure. White number 6 called for the foul. Free throws given para kay Abregana. Cloyd Abregana shooting for 2. Pasok. Second shot, Cloyd Abregana. Second free throw, Cloyd Abregana. Wala. Rebound, Bryle, 2 points. Bryle, 2 points. Oy! Basket made. Pushing foul. Jawadi, Rob, Riol, out of bounds, air ball. Okay, handaan nyo na po ang second five pool natin. Second five coming up. Of course, nandiyan si Cloyd, si number 7, si number 25, at si Lacanilaw, number 24. Iwan, si Abrigana. Kabila naman po, of course, nandiyan si Ruiz, si 15. Si Ruiz, 15, si number 20, si number 24, at si number 19. Balik tayo. Okay, number 15, inbounding, now to Mr. Ruiz. 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 Number 24, pops up, no good. Cloyd, no good. Pasok. Second shot, Cloyd. Pasok. Ano, mutik pa. Okay, Cloyd, naka-rebound. Abrigana, pinasa kay Abrigana. Number 7, no good. Number 7, that's Bertorico, shooting for 2. Para mong clone niya, no? Ni Walter. Bertorico, first shot. Kapos. Bertorico, second shot. Hindi pwede yan. May capping dapat. Ruiz pops up. Bang! 9 all. 4-10 remaining. Cloyd for 3. Wala. Ruiz. Kick pass. Pops up. Bang! Si din by Falsis. Change favor po tayo now. Freightos now leading by 2 points at 3:42 remaining. First quarter action. Uy! Okay. Foul number 10. Ruiz. Blocking foul on number 10. Pops up. Cloyd. Bang! Cloyd, 3 points. Ay, sorry, 2 points rather. Number 15, bumangking din. 3 points naman. Pinakulibang ni Basada. Number 15, 3 points. Lemon Red is watching. Julius Babakay is watching. Lacanilao, 24. Abrigana again. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound battle 1 by number 15. Okay. Palsis. Ano muna kay Palsis? Ano muna tayo? Sway-sway lang tayo doon, sabi. Lamang sila ng dalawa. Pops up. No good. Rebound by number 7. No good. Wala pa rin. Yes. Okay, Ben Cloyd called for a foul. Pinasok ni 24. Nen, na kay Ruiz na naman ang bola.
1 minute and 57.
Falsis. 24. Ruiz. Falsis. Nice pick. Ayun! 21. Pasok. 21, 2 points. That's Valdez. Berturico. Coimax. Abrigana. Pops up for 3. Coimax, no good. Berturico, power move. Wala pa rin. Lacanilao, naka-rebound. Stepping on the line. Wait, stop. Falsis. Pops up for 3. Tapos. Valdez, naka-rebound. 24. Naipit. Ala na! Sayang.
24-second shot clock.
24-second shot clock violation. Tuloy po tayo. Abrigana against Ruiz. Abrigana, the big guard.
16-12.
Pops up Dex, no good. Rebound by Falsis. Falsis, no foul. Nakina. Push. Uy, out of bounds. 3 seconds remaining. Abrigana. Bang! Si din!
Rebound by number 3. Di tayo, B.
Game. Toto. Flores, second quarter po tayo ngayon. Ayun na naman sila. Blue shirts. Brian. Hindi na kontrol ni Brian bola. Mike. Ayun lang. Patrico. Jawari. Nope. Rebound by the white shirts again. Flores. Hounded by Jawadi. timeout ko by Team Sky Team. Sky Team po for the timeout. Good po siya po dyan ako sa RBG Vlog si Ju. Habang po tayo naka-timeout po tayo, maghanap buhay muna po tayo. Ito po ang Aviation Friendly Doubles at Flying League. We'd like to identify sponsors, Team SPB or SBB ARA, PSBQ. Sapan natin po dyan ang Thread Needles and Team LBC Hanan Padala. And of course, ito po ating pong participating teams for season number 5. Cabin 9 Hub, Oryx Basketball Team, Boleros, Airport United, CAS, In-Flights, Mechanicals, Sky Team, Freighters, at Team QR Towers. This is the eliminations and final game for today is being played now. Second quarter po tayo between Sky Team and the Freighters. Balik po tayo yun. Ayan na, Pops sa Flores. Bang! Bang, bang! Flores, 2 points. Binababa ngayon ni Jawad yung bola. And now, si number 24. Jawadi again. Jawadi. Uy! Traveling ka doon, boss. Naging journey yung ano mo. Journey na. Journey. Hindi na traveling. Journey. Naging journey na po. Journey. Flores. Inbounding. Now, Toto number 5. Receive it again. Balik kay Flores mo yung bola. At 8:36 remaining. 8:34 remaining. Foul! Over the back foul by Jawadi. Back-to-back team fouls already. Jawadi. Toto naipit. Number 91. 2 points. 91, 2 points. Number 91, 2 points. Jawadi, the big guard. Jawadi. Sa kanila for 3. No good. Bryle. White ball nga. Flores, driving show. Valencia. Flores. No good. Rebound by number 91. Laki nila, flying high, no good. Number pa ni Don Luxi? Jawadi. Jawadi, tiki 3. Ayaw. Laki nila. Barrels through. 2 points. Laki nila. Barrels through. 2 points. The score is 23-17. Laman pa rin po ng 6 ang The Freighters. Flores! Wala. No foul. Ayun lang. Ayun lang. Mali pinasahan. Flores, double team. Laki nilaw. Valencia, 20. Butik pa. Babsap. Kapos. Berturico. Nice swipe away by the white shirts. Valencia, wala. Bepisico, wala pa rin. Nice stop and same ball. Nice stop, same ball pa rin po tayo. Still, wala pa rin pong gumagalaw ng bola ng baso po ngayon. 23-17 pa rin po tayo. Uy, mali, wrong. Bryle. Wala. Bryle muli. Wala pa rin. One more time. Flores naman, naka-rebound. 2 points sa Kanilaw. What a putback by La Kanilaw. 5 minutes remaining, 20-19 score po natin. Laman po ng 4 ang The Faders.
Pasok! Walang pasok, mamaya na!
Pasok tayo. 5 minutes remaining.
Score natin, 23-19 in favor of white.
Game. 21, Tabile, 23.
Sabi na. Alas 10 na.
Tabile, driving show. Naipit. Blue ball, Abregana for the inbound. Abregana.
49-40.
Lala, di pala. Floyd, post up. Floyd pops up. Nope, it's Royol. And white ball. Nagkakaintindihan talaga yung dalawa talaga eh. Floyd, Royol connection is evident. And now, balik muli po tayo ngayon. Now, it's now Mr. Tabile to Mr. Falsis to Tabile again. Tabile. Ayun. Number 15, wala. Tap down to Abregana nagmamili. Stepping up the gas. Abregana. Nakita pa sa Tabile. Number 21, wala pa rin. Tabile, wala pa rin. 19, Falsis, 2 points. Naglinis pa ng ring. 3:25 remaining, second quarter action. Patapos na. Wrong pass. Tabile, stripped away. Good ball. Betulo, bang, one play. Valdez, 2 points. Free throw and timeout now kagad ng Team Sky Team. I think lahat yata ng taga Sky Team yata may pasok talaga. Usually marami sila eh. Wala yung dalawa, si Billy tsaka si Gokutano, si Enteng. Wala si Billy, medyo may pasok yata. 3:03 remaining po tayo. 27-19. Bonus shot made. Valdez, 21, bonus free throw. Valdez, 21, bonus free throw po tayo. Paano yata ako matutulog nito puta? Valdez, wala. Rebound, Cloyd. Boy Max. Oy! Out of bounds. Shout din siya, Mr. Julius Babagay. Binababa ngayon po ang bola. Ngayon. Tabile against Boy Max. Baba natin again si Kapos. Good ball. Dex. Stepping up the gas for Dex. Wala. Shoutout din Kamo Malteser Arbin after ng game para makatulog. Ayaw matulog. Pops up. Walang kawala. Dex, second shot. Jumper shot din po tayo kay Mr. Dex. Pops up. Wala. Rebound. Betuno. Mag-edit pa ako, boss. Naipit. Foul on Koy Max. Pushing foul called.
Foul number 87.
Max called for the foul. 2 minutes remaining sa ating second quarter action. Dex. Foul! 23. Tabile, 23. Called for a foul. A minute 51 remaining po tayo. Dex. No good. 21 na rebound. Royal na screen. Tabile. A minute and 37 remaining. Up! Out of bounds. Tabi. Floyd. Hop. Yard shot by Royol. Mag-partisan crime din doon eh. Falses. Stick away. Still completed again. Abrigana setting up the pace. Abrigana pops up for 3 again. No good. Rebound Falses. Lima lang yan. Tabile. Foul. Offensive foul call ng Tabile. Hinawi. Hawi. 23 called for the foul. Dex binabaan, setting up the pace. 20 seconds. Royol. Back-to-back shots by Royol. Doon siya nabubuhay. Post-up ni Royol. Tabile. Wala. Drifting violation. A second remaining. 1 second remaining po tayo. A second remaining. Ayan na, Koy Max. Binato, wala na. Halftime po tayo. The score is 27-24. Lamang po ang The Freighters. Okay, shots given. Mesyo. Ha? Talag tayo, sir. Ano, may sasabihin ka?
Binabati ko po yung tropa ko sa Croatia, si Christopher Pelosis. Pre, dito na ako.
Okay, yan. Okay, merong shots given po para sa Team Predators. Kulang po kasi po ang Team Sky Team. I think, how many shots given? 4 shots given. Basada 15. Scott is watching right now. All shots never made. Okay, third quarter action po tayo. Oras. Game. Okay, Royol for the inbound along with Jawadi with Abrigana, nandiyan si Braille at si Lakalinaw. Dilabas muna yung iba. Royol naipit pero pasok ang bola kay Royol. Unstoppable Royol. (2026) and si Mr. Flores for 3. Out of bounds. Out of range. Binabaki Lakalinaw ng bola. The high flyer Lakalinaw. Wala. Jawari. Wala. Palpal. Still completed pa. Ito na si Abrigana for 3. No good. Out of bounds. Mukhang babalik kayo sa dati ko setup talaga. Magalit ang ilalim din ito. Francis 2 points. Pop sa Braille. Malakas. Di handa. Pops up Lakalinaw. No good. Rebound number 19. Pops up Flores. Wala. Rebound number 35. Ayun, 20. Sinubo lang bola. Pasok. Paragoy. Julius Babagay. The score is 32-26. Laman po ng 6 ang The Freighters. Nawala bola. Uy. Abrigana. 2 points sa Abrigana. ball.
Last shot, one.
Blue ball.
6 minutes and 55 seconds.
Laki nilaw. Uy. Royol. Abrigana for 3. No good. Rebound kay Falsis. Falsis, binababola. Falsis.
Flores.
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 Bang! Si din. Top of the key. 2 points lang.
34, 38 in favor of White team.
Uy! Good ball, good ball, good ball. Naka-plant naman siya eh. Out of bounds.
Ball.
Naka-plant naman, naka-plant. Hindi siya moving pick.
And the shot.
3 points called. Siya nga 3 points, sir. Jawara. Flores. 3 points na lang. Gutierrez stripped away again by Abrigana. Abrigana, nagmamali sa Abrigana. Abrigana. Royol. 2 points Royol.
Five minutes and 20.
Tabili. Again, push kagad kay Jawari. Jawari. Wala malakas. Brian nandun. Ayun na, Riol. Pow.
Rosson. Rosson. Oh, timeout, Blue.
Timeout, Sky Team. With 2 cents. Balik tayo. Sino? Oh, si Enteng. Nagpakita. Okay, Enteng also entered sa free red. Oh. Umabot pa si Enteng. Ano nangyari, boss? Rep, ano nangyari? Ano nangyari? Anim, late. Gutierrez. Wala. Riol shooting for 2. Wala. Good. Flores. Banks it in. Flores 2 points. Bocotano. Bryle. Lacanlaw. Pops up Jawari. Bangs it in. 3 points Jawari. See completed again. 37 all. Jawadi. Gokotano Enteng. Enteng. Binabang bola. Jawadi. Jawadi. Wala. Rebound by Jawadi. Held ball situation. White ball. White ball. Ruiz. Ruiz. Flores for 3. Nope. Rebound. Bayla Kanilaw. Bakit binaban ni Abrigana ang bola ngayon? Abrigana binabang bola. Abrigana. Abrigana bring down the ball. Abrigana. Abrigana. Ayan na. Royol again. Dukot. Wala. Jawadi, wala pa rin. Foul! Foul! Riol was fouled by number 17. Who are you? First shot, Riol, no good. Let's go to 37-38. Laman na po ang Sky Team ng isa. Second shot, Riol, pops up. It's in. Dalawa. 37-39. 2:18 remaining. Third quarter action. Flores against Lacanlaw. Binabantayan na siya. Ruiz. Number 17. Falses. Flores. Flores for 3, for 2. No good. Okay, Riol. Nakalibang na. Nakalibang sa Riol. Jawadi, malakas. Malakas nga, malakas. Flores. Ano ba? Kapos. Out of range. Jawadi. Laki na lang, bank shot, no good. Francis, malakas. Rebound, Abrigana. Ayan lang kay Jawadi. Jawari! Ay! points lang, 2 points lang.
Oh, 39. 35 seconds. 40.
Lakanilaw. And one play made.
Wow. 20, 21.
23 seconds remaining, 39-41.
21 second personal foul. Bonus.
Wala.
23 seconds. 20. 14 seconds. 10. 5.
Riol. 2 points. And wala na. Fourth and final quarter coming up. You're watching now the fourth and final quarter between Sky Team, Sky Team and the Freighters. This is the eliminations pa lang po tayo dyan. And was these are the participating teams po. Ay? And of course, this is your A-Base Friend League, Daba sa Flying League. Ito ay mga sponsors. Maraming salamat po. Ay, sir. Okay, Cloyd, final quarter, number 3. Now, kay Gokutano. Gokutano. Lakanilaw. Kapos. Laman ng 4 po ang Sky Team, 39-43. Basada. No good. Rebound, Gokutano. Gokutano. Oy! Sumabit. Sumabit.
Oh, number 15. Second personal foul. Basket. 44.
39-44. Ayan naman siya. Pops up. No good. Gutierrez. Foul! Foul called.
Who's foul? Foul number 3. Basket. 1 point lead.
Gutierrez. Both basket made. 9 minutes remaining. Traveling called.
44-41.
2 points. Tabile, 2 points. 43-44.
In favor of blue.
Nope. 25 naka-rebound. Kick pass kay Basada. 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 Good ball. Basada mali. Pop. Wala. Balangkado. White ball. Daw. Pero blue pala. Sabi ng referee. Bukutano. Wala. Rebound by Dex. Dex, held foul.
Number 20. Institution. 20 ba? Oh? 20 oh, di ba?
Dex shooting for 2.
Fourth
It's
personal
out.
foul. Fourth personal foul, number 20.
No good. Riol. Riol. Bocotano. Laki nila ako 2 points. Slide ha.
Three-point game. Lore. Gutierrez.
Muntik pa.
Foul again. Three. Number 3. Second personal foul.
Second shot. Gutierrez. Wala. Rebound battle won by the blue shirts. Laki nila 2 points.
Lalaki nila. 48-44.
Dex. Wala. Bocotano wala. Bocotano muli.
Time to shoot. Dali na.
Tapos. 6:12 remaining.
6 minutes and 10. Substitution.
25 for the inbound. Wala. Tabile. Wala pa rin. Rebound na kanilaw. Eh na kay Dex. Dex. Oy! Hindi pa rin. Still completed. Another chance. Riol. Wala pa rin. Dex. Yun, pumasok pa rin sa wakas. 5:43 remaining.
Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 24.
Laki nila, malalim. Binato ka kay Tabile. Malakas ang pasa kay Tabile.
Time out. 1 game.
White team called for a timeout at 5:10 remaining. 44-50 ang score po natin.
Tulog na. Competition, 5 minutes. Number 15, rebound. Kay Ball. And competition.
Jawari.
High to shoot.
Gokotano. Foul.
Oh, number 13.
Basket made. Kadena.
51, 44. Oh, Jason Bengo. Lore.
Wala. Rebound na Brigana.
Ayan na, rebound.
Hop. Held ball situation.
Di tayo, B. Di tayo, white ball.
White ball daw. White ball
Di
sabi.
tayo. Di tayo.
Uy, foul.
Who's corner? Foul number 3. Wala pa, nahin pa. Ito pala.
Cardinal Brown. Gutierrez.
Ayan, rebound na number 25.
25, 2 points.
46, 51.
Gokotano. Ayun, sa ilalim. Wala. Ay, nakariband na naman siya. 25. Francis. 25. Nandun si Gokotano. Si Abrigana. Abrigana driving. Ayan na kay Bryle. Gokotano naman. And one play made by Gokotano. Gokotano, 2 points.
Number 30. $53, 46. Basket.
54-46. An 8-point lead advantage only been enjoyed now by Team Sky Team.
54, 46. Gutierrez.
2 points, Gutierrez. Gutierrez, 2 points. And time up po, again po, ang Sky Team at 3:12 remaining, 48-54.
Isa na lang. Ang white, dalawa. Dalawa pa kayo white, ha? Back to the volley. Back to the volley.
Back to the ball game. Limache. Real 2 points. Foul point.
Number 28. Go. 56-48. Huli na. Heavy shot. Pass to shoot.
Abrigana! Wala. White ball, sabi ng referee. Padaw niya.
2 minutes and 7 seconds. Last 2 minutes. Basket. 50. 56.
Riol, 2 points. Riol, 2 points.
1 minute and 58-15.
Gutierrez! Wala. Good ball, good ball, good ball. Gokotano! Uy! 2 points.
1 minute and 10.
Timeout by White. A 10-point advantage already been posted now by team, the Sky Team.
Oh, ready? Back to the one game.
Game.
1 minute and 4 and 5.
1 minute 5 remaining. Riol, Braille, 2 points.
50 seconds.
Tabile for 3. Malakas.
25.
Ngayon lang, may pasa pala yun.
39 seconds. Foul number 6. Penalty.
Penalty situation po. Wala na. Thank you, man. Sean is watching. 25. Pasok. And one play by 25.
28.
Before we go pala po bukas po may patanluro po, Cabin Line. Pusa. Okay. Cabin Line versus Airport United versus, of course, second game po natin po is
19 seconds left.
and of course, bossing pala is Hub versus Mechanicos. Para bukas po yan, ha? Maraming salamat po. Pero may follow me po tayo 17 seconds remaining. Abrigana shooting for 2. Pasok. Second shot by Abrigana. No good. No good. Wala pa rin. Okay, that's it. Congratulations, winner. Final score 55-64. The Sky Team. Maraming salamat po. Bukas muli po tayo ha. May patayang laro po bukas. Cabin Line versus Airport United and Hub and Mechanicals. Sky Team, congratulations. Maraming salamat po.